And guys, welcome to this channel and welcome to this new release. In this video I would like to show you what's going on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so the entire cryptocurrency market and some stocks on S&P 500. We'll also cover the situation on American market and Chinese one. So let's get started. At first guys, let's not break our tradition and let's start with Bitcoin overview. So here you can see that we entered a new consolidation, which is a rather curious one, because there is a really tiny range. If you measure it from the lowest point to the highest one, it's not more than 10%, which is ridiculous. If you look at any other consolidations that we have experienced recently, you'll see that the range was much wider than this one. So this means that when we break out from this range, whether the price will skyrocket or plummet, it will depend on the market situation. And by the way, I would like to share my own opinion on what will be the direction of the price when we break out from this range. So guys, if you look at the entire chart of BTC, at least at the entire past bull run, and the current bearish market, you can see that there is a real strong level of consolidation here, which means that there were many players on financial markets who opened their short and long positions from this level. So guys, which means that we have just came to this level and now we see a new consolidation. From the perspective of the average retail trader, that means that they should open short positions. Why? That's as simple as that. There is a level of consolidation here. We were below it, which means that this level for now, for us, is a level of resistance and we shouldn't go higher. But, guys, if you look at the funding rate of Bitcoin, you can see that it's a negative one, which means that people are currently opening short positions on Bitcoin. So time will show whether or not they are right, but it usually works the following way. If everyone shorts an asset, which means that the asset price will surge. If everyone is opening long positions, then it means that the price will plummet, because the price always goes to the liquidity. So, and that's why I suppose that we're most likely to see a breakout in the upwards direction. Moreover, we've already covered in the previous videos. If you haven't watched them, you can find them on this channel. I highly recommend you to watch the videos where I've covered CME chart as well. And if you open it, you will be able to see that there is a tiny gap, or maybe not tiny one, around 36 up to $38,000, which will magnetize Bitcoin price to itself. So we've just covered everything that I think about Bitcoin price right now. So I suppose that there will be a final short liquidation jump, and then the price might fall down drastically. That's just my opinion. So guys, let's move on to S&P 500. So that looks completely ridiculous and insane. If you measure the price decline since the current peak that was around 4,800 points, you will see that the current decline is less than 8%, which is ridiculous, how I've just already said. So, and if you open the key interest rate of Federal Reserve, you will be able to see that the current interest rate is at the same level as it was during the crisis of 2008. Guys, make your own decision regarding based on this data. So I do not imply that it will plummet, but that's actually what I think. Hence, I've already sold my Nvidia stocks. I bought Nvidia stocks. It was just a guess. I bought it around the bottom. Then I sold it somewhere here, and I didn't get this increase of 63%. For me, it would be more than 200%. So I have already fixed all my profits around these values. But I fixed profits, so I think that's great. If you look at Apple and Nvidia, you can see that there is a bearish market on both cryptocurrency market, and you can see that Bitcoin is even less than a half of its maximum price. What's going on S&P 500? Do you know? Me not. And I suppose that it's just that massive short liquidations that we've talked about in the previous videos. So I presume that the price of that S&P 500 is gonna plummet in the nearest future. Hence, I've already sold my Nvidia stocks and AMD as well. So for those who don't know, I also invest in S&P 500. So I also invest in stocks. That's why I'm covering the situation on stock market as well. And guys, just for you to compare, S&P 500 is just 7%. You can see a 7% decline from its all-time high. And now let's measure the decrease on Chinese S&P 500. So this QAP fund is actually an alternative to American S&P 500. And here you can see that there is a decline of 74, almost 75% from its maximum price. Make your own guess, guys. But you see, China is the second empire after the United States. And for some mysterious reason, their stocks have no value for now. But that's a great opportunity to enter their market if you're interested in stocks. For me, for now, I'm just transferring my assets to cryptocurrency because I decided that I could take more risks for now, and I'm gathering a portfolio in cryptocurrency and closing my positions on stock markets. So guys, actually that's all for today. I hope that this overview helped you to make your own decisions, to adjust your investing strategy, and at least you managed to get some useful information from this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a like if you really like the content, or a dislike if you didn't like it for any reason. So, and I'll see you in the next video.